In the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, one of the fundamental processes that underpin their functioning is crypto mining. Mining plays a crucial role in verifying and adding new transactions to a blockchain, ensuring the network security, and minting new cryptocurrency tokens. Additionally, the introduction of consensus mechanisms, specifically proof of work or POW and proof of stake or POS, has brought about revolutionary changes in how cryptocurrencies achieve consensus and maintain the integrity of their distributed ledgers. Welcome back to a realm where innovation knows no bounds. You've just stepped into the Cryptoholics Corner, the ultimate portal for all things crypto. Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering insights, sharing news, and demystifying the complexities of this exciting digital frontier. Stay tuned for enlightening episodes, and remember, fellow cryptonauts, the crypto universe is vast, and together we will navigate its depths. In the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, crypto mining is a pivotal process that underpins the entire system. It involves more than just churning out new digital coins. Rather, it serves as a foundational mechanism for verifying transactions, securing the network, and maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. At its heart, crypto mining can be understood as a competitive computational race, where miners utilize significant computational power to solve intricate mathematical puzzles. This process not only validates transactions, but also facilitates the creation of new blocks in the blockchain. In the context of crypto mining, miners are individuals or entities who contribute computational resources, such as powerful hardware and energy, to the network. Their primary objective is to solve complex mathematical puzzles that require immense computational effort. These puzzles are designed to be challenging and resource-intensive, making it difficult for any single participant to manipulate the process. Miners engage in a fierce competition, vying to be the first to solve the puzzle and subsequently add a new block to the blockchain. This competitive aspect ensures that the network remains robust and secure, as malicious actors would need an impractical amount of computational power to alter past transactions. As miners invest computational resources and energy into the mining process, they are incentivized with rewards. These rewards typically come in the form of newly minted cryptocurrency tokens. When a miner successfully solves the mathematical puzzle and adds a new block to the blockchain, they are granted a certain number of tokens. This reward mechanism not only compensates miners for their efforts, but also serves as a way to introduce new cryptocurrency units into circulation. Consequently, mining plays a vital role in the distribution and issuance of cryptocurrencies. One of the most significant contributions of crypto mining is its role in bolstering the security of the blockchain network. The computational complexity required to mine blocks makes it prohibitively difficult and time-consuming for malicious actors to alter or reverse past transactions. This phenomenon, known as the immutable ledger, ensures that once a transaction is recorded in a block and added to the blockchain, it becomes exceedingly challenging to tamper with it. The decentralized and consensus-driven nature of mining further reinforces the overall security of the network. While the concept of mining has revolutionized the world of cryptocurrencies, it has not been without its challenges. The energy-intensive nature of the most common mining method, proof of work or POW, has raised significant environmental concerns. The vast computational power required for POW mining consumes substantial amounts of electricity. This has led to debates about its sustainability. As a response, alternative consensus mechanisms such as proof of stake or POS have been explored. POS reduces energy consumption by eliminating the need for resource-intensive computations, instead relying on validators who are chosen based on the cryptocurrency they hold as collateral. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism used in blockchain networks to validate and secure transactions. It was introduced by the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, as a way to solve the double spending problem and ensure the integrity of the decentralized ledger. In a POW system, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets the right to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. This process is resource-intensive and requires significant computational power. POW ensures the security of the blockchain by making it computationally expensive and time-consuming for miners to add new blocks. Miners must invest computational power and energy into solving these cryptographic puzzles. This investment serves as proof that they have performed the required work, hence the term proof of work. The security of the network arises from the impracticality of altering any transaction in a past block. Altering any transactions would necessitate redoing the work for that block and the blocks before it. To maintain a consistent block generation time, which is typically around 10 minutes in Bitcoin, the difficulty of the mathematical puzzles is adjusted at regular intervals. If miners are collectively finding blocks too quickly, the difficulty increases, making the puzzles harder. Conversely, if blocks are being found too slowly, the difficulty decreases. This adjustment helps regulate the rate at which new blocks are added to the blockchain. Miners are economically motivated to participate in POW. When a miner successfully solves a puzzle and adds a block, they are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency tokens like Bitcoin and transaction fees paid by users. This incentivizes miners to dedicate computational resources to the network and ensures a continuous stream of new blocks, maintaining the blockchain's operation. POW contributes to the decentralization of the network. As multiple miners compete to solve puzzles, no single entity or group can easily monopolize the process. This distributed competition enhances the security of the network, as it becomes difficult for any one entity to control more than 50% of the mining power, or a scenario known as a 51% attack. Despite its security and decentralization benefits, POW has drawn criticism due to its substantial energy consumption. This energy-intensive nature of POW mining has led to concerns about its environmental impact, especially as the popularity of cryptocurrencies has grown. This concern has prompted the exploration of alternative consensus mechanisms such as proof of stake or POS, which aim to mitigate these environmental issues. Proof of stake has emerged as a compelling alternative to the traditional proof of work consensus mechanism, primarily aiming to address the significant energy consumption and environmental concerns associated with POW-based cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. POS introduces a novel approach to achieving consensus and securing a blockchain network while minimizing the need for resource-intensive computations. In a POS system, validators or stakers are responsible for creating new blocks and validating transactions on the blockchain. Unlike POW, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles, POS relies on a more economic and energy-efficient model. Validators participate in the consensus process by staking a certain amount of the cryptocurrency associated with the network. This staked cryptocurrency serves as collateral, indicating their commitment to maintaining the integrity of the network. The higher the amount of cryptocurrency a validator stakes, the higher their chances of being chosen to create a new block. Selection of validators for block creation is typically randomized, weighted by the amount of cryptocurrency they have staked. This randomness is often influenced by factors such as the age of the staked coins, with the intention of preventing centralization and ensuring a diverse and decentralized network. POS offers several significant energy-efficient and environmentally friendly advantages over POW. The first being reduced energy consumption. Unlike POW, which relies on extensive computational power to solve cryptographic puzzles, POS requires significantly less energy. The absence of resource-intensive calculations contributes to a drastic reduction in energy consumption, making POS-based networks more sustainable. Secondly, lower carbon footprint. The energy-intensive nature of POW has raised concerns about its carbon footprint. POS mitigates these concerns by requiring minimal energy for block creation and validation, making it a more environmentally conscious choice. Third and lastly, we have scalability. POS systems tend to be more scalable than POW networks, as they do not face the same limitations related to computational power and hardware resources. This scalability can contribute to a wider adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Both POW and POS mechanisms have their merits and drawbacks. POW is known for its high security and resistance to attacks, but it consumes significant energy. POS offers a more energy-efficient approach but may potentially be more vulnerable to certain attacks, such as the nothing at stake problem. Several projects are also exploring hybrid approaches that combine elements of both consensus mechanisms to leverage their respective strengths. Crypto mining and consensus mechanisms are pivotal components of the blockchain ecosystem. Proof of work and proof of stake represent different approaches to achieving consensus, each with its unique characteristics and trade-offs. As the crypto space continues to evolve, it is important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks of these mechanisms in the context of security, energy efficiency, and scalability to create a sustainable and robust blockchain infrastructure for the future. As we conclude our crypto journey on the Cryptoholics Corner, a huge shout out to all you cryptonauts for joining us. Your passion fuels our exploration of the crypto universe. Stay tuned for more on your favorite channel, where we're all about diving deep into the Cryptoholics Corner. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being awesome, Cryptonauts.